Was he gone?
Who?
That guy that was here.
Oh, Timmy, he's gone. He's gone.
Is he coming back?
No. He's measuring all that centre up.
God, yeah, that. I see what you mean about these. They're rotten, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're gone, they have.
We can do a little chalk on it if you want.
So what's the ones on the floor behind you?
No, I've just picked that up. I've picked up a load of wood
Oh, right.
from Fine Tube to deliver them to somebody else.
Yeah, I come up here the other day and
Yeah, I've been doing this job to Birmingham and it's completely done me in. I said I've got to get on with something. I want a week off. I've got to have a week off. There's one just along there that's been back steps because there's a wide plank.
yeah?
I've got wide plank there, look. There, I'm going to change.
Oh, you've done that gate as well?
Yeah, I've done that gate, but the bottom's a bit cherry on it. Wrong, isn't it?
Yeah, because there's one here, but the bottom's gone, isn't it?
Yeah, that's over there. And I've got these made now, because Henry used to have them on the corners for strength.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Yeah, they used to be here, didn't they?
Yeah.
They used to be here on the
Yeah.
corner here. Yeah, a lot of them's got them. Even the, if you look at the aluminium gates they had made,
Yeah.
they got them.
Yeah.
So your side steps will be here, won't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, on the corner they normally are, aren't they?
Yeah, they've got a thing in there, they've got them panels. But I might see how I get on.
You've done a good job on that gate, haven't you?
Yeah. 2 minutes. Check.
Not just a pretty face, are you?
No, this one got the wood. Done me fucking battle.
Yeah.
Lifting it on his van. Now I'm moving, I'm feeling better. But last night I couldn't move. Right. Done that one. That one's done. And this one had a number missing off it. 15 or 16, I think.
You gone for Roman numbers, have you?
I am putting Roman numbers on them. I've just got to check what that one is.
So that's 8 then, isn't it?
Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, I know.
Well, what's a 5 then in Roman numbers?
B.
No, B's 10.
No, it's not. B is 5.
Oh, is it? What's
Yeah.
10 then?
Eh?
What's 10?
So.
Well, I've done that wrong then.
Yeah?
Because that's 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's 8, yeah.
I
5, 6,
thought the
7,
B
8.
was 10.
No, it's 5. Yeah, because it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, then 7, then 8.
Yeah.
Yeah? Because that's 6, 7, and 8.
Yeah, no, that's. I thought that was 10 for 13. So, I'll do 2 B's.
I'm going to check that in a minute, what the one when the new modes are.
Yeah, I would. How can you get on that then?
Just go on Google.
Yeah, Google it.